Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove unwanted object from our video using Inshot mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my Inshot application, and for example guys, I'm going to remove this object from my video. First of all, we have to overlay this video with the same video. We can click on this VIP option to overlay the video. Then you have to add the same video to your Inshot project. Okay, after that we can click on this button to fit the screen or to get the full screen. Then we're going to put mask to cover the unwanted object. We can go to the mask option. Then you can choose the type of the mask right here. I'm gonna go with the circle mask, and then we can take another part of the video to cover the unwanted object. And for instance, I'm going to take this part because I think this part will be suitable to cover the unwanted object. Okay, once we're done, we can click on the check mark, and then we can simply drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. Then you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with the result. Okay, now it's done, and this is the final result. As you can see that the unwanted object has been removed from my video. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted object from our video using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.